Hey guys, this is Dr. Moore with Cumberland Chiropractic and Sports Medicine. Today we are talking about a super common cause for neck pain, upper back pain, and shoulder pain. So if you have one of those and you work at a desk, spend a lot of time on a computer, or maybe drive for a big chunk of your day, you're going to want to hear this. Stick around. Alright guys, so today we are talking about something called upper cross syndrome. What upper cross syndrome is, it's a posture problem that leads to a muscle imbalance in the upper back, shoulders, and neck that causes a lot of different painful conditions in those areas. Sometimes even numbness, tingling, reduced range of motion in the shoulder, things of that nature. What it refers to is for people that spend a lot of time maybe working at a desk, typing on a computer, or driving, things that round our shoulders forward, make us spend a lot of time with our hands out in front of our body, our neck out in front of our shoulders. Our muscles become posturally shortened and tight at the front of the shoulder, chest area, and on the back of the neck from holding the neck up all day in that position. The muscles on the front of the neck, the deep neck flexors, and the muscles that are responsible for bringing the shoulder blades backwards, retracting them, become weak because we don't use them as much. This imbalance of muscle tightness and weakness causes a lot of those problems that we just talked about: pain in the neck, pain in the upper back and shoulder area. So upper cross syndrome has become increasingly popular, or more common, let's say, in the last few years because more and more of us are spending more time on a computer, looking down, using our phones, and spending a lot of time driving. These are big chunks of our day, and it puts us in that position that causes this upper cross syndrome type presentation. In addition to causing pain in the areas that we've already talked about, upper cross syndrome, or that upper cross posture, puts you at an increased likelihood for developing things like shoulder pain, rotator cuff tears or rotator cuff injuries, as well as things like carpal tunnel type syndrome, numbness, tingling in the arms and in the hands, things like that. So it's really something you want to keep an eye on and try to mitigate as much as possible. Okay, so the quick and dirty about upper cross syndrome is it's a posture and muscle problem that leaves you sitting here, right? Your shoulders are rounded, there's a big slouch in your upper back, your neck's out in front of your shoulders, and instead of that, we want to be sitting upright. We want our back sitting tall, our shoulders retracted, and our head up and over our shoulders. Now, there's a lot of good resources out there to help you do this. We have videos that we've made on our YouTube channel about a good ergonomic workstation, about good stretches that will help you get closer to that good posture. But if you try and do those things and you still find that this posture it's not working for you, either you can't get there, you feel restricted, or it feels like too much work, something's holding you back and you can't maintain that for your work day, then you may need our help. Right? So what we do to treat this problem is we loosen those muscles that have become too tight over that long period of time that they've become posturally shortened, and we help you strengthen those muscles that are too weak, that aren't allowing you to sit up and sit the way that you need to in order to avoid the painful repercussions of this problem. So if you have neck, upper back, shoulder pain, numbness, tingling, things like that, and you think that posture is a big part of your problem, you've probably noticed it or become aware of it, give us a call. We'd love to help you with this. We see it literally every day. If you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this video or about this condition, please leave it with the video. And if you know someone who needs to see it, please share it with them. This has been Dr. Moore with Cumberland Chiropractic and Sports Medicine, where we get you better, faster.